Glyco Thrive Blood Optimizer is marketed as a supplement that supposedly balances blood sugar, improves insulin response, supports metabolism, and helps maintain healthy glucose levels. But the real question is, does it actually regulate blood sugar? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements, such as cinnamon, chromium, berberine, bitter melon, or herbal extracts, have been studied for possible effects on glucose metabolism, but that does not automatically mean the finished product delivers dramatic results. What it does well may contain ingredients with some research behind them. Certain ingredients used in blood sugar supplements have shown potential for modest metabolic effects, easy to take daily. Supplements can fit easily into a routine. Where the hype falls apart, it will not regulate blood sugar like medication. This is the biggest issue. Supplements should not be expected to work like prescribed treatments. Research results can be mixed. Some ingredients show limited benefits, while others produce inconsistent findings. The full formula matters. One promising ingredient alone does not prove the product works as advertised. So, does Glyco Thrive Blood Optimizer actually regulate blood sugar? Short answer, possibly to a limited extent, but likely much less than the advertising suggests. It may provide some metabolic support depending on the ingredients, but expecting major blood sugar control from a supplement alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.